Hello guys, today we are going to see how RankX function works in Power BI. So without further ado, let's get started. Here you can see I have already opened my Power BI, and within Power BI I have loaded data from Contoso database. You can see the data model, sales table connected to the product is connected to product subcategory, and product subcategory is connected to product category. So let's see how you are going to use. Here I have created one simple page where you can see the category. These are the filters, product name and category. These are the filters, and simple table where we can see product name and total sale. Here we can say all the products sold and what is the total amount, total sales against those products. If you want to know what is the ranking, how these products are performing against each other, so looking at the number, it's very difficult to say and in which one is a top selling product, which one is a second top selling product. To sort this problem, there is a function called RankX function where, if you're coming from the Microsoft SQL background, there is already a function called rank. Similarly, here we have RankX function. If you filter data by the product, we can see the total sale amount of this particular product is something, but still we don't know in respect to the total product catalog we have what is the ranking. And which product category is performing worst. To solve this problem, we can use RankX function available in the DAX. Let's create a measure. Okay, sales ranking. We'll use RankX function, RankX function, and the formula says we need a table, an expression, and these are the optional value where we can see which order and what is the and how we are going to deal with if the rankings are similar. So let's choose a table. I'm going to see my product table, then I'm going to choose my total sale. Total sale. Let's see whether it's working or not, and if not, then what is the root cause. So we have created sales ranking. Let's use in our table. Oh, see, sales ranking shows one for each product. What went wrong? Let's see. If you look at the definition of if you look at the definition of RankX function, it says returns the rank of an expression evaluated in the current context. It means each row is considered as a table, and against that table the rank is being calculated. So that is why it is giving one ranking for each row. To solve this problem, we are going to use another function, very powerful function, which is all. So here it is. We can see the total sales of this particular product is highest, therefore its ranking is 1. The second highest is this product and its ranking is second. This is working perfectly. Now if we want to know within the categories, we have a lot of category of products. If we want to see how audio is performing, how the products within audio categories are performing. So I have selected audio, but see what sales ranking 73 doesn't make any sense because this ranking is based upon the overall ranking. So I want to know, if I click cell phones, I should know within the cell phone category what are the ranking of these individual products. In order to solve this, we need to include product category in our calculation. So let's see how you are going to do this. So here is sales ranking. We will modify a little bit. We are going to cross join to this product category with product category table. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.